Welcome to Grifform Innovations, where we offer an unparalleled level of customization for your vanity tops. One of our unique options is our custom quantity integration, allowing you to choose up to 3 sinks for your vanity top. With our user-friendly website, you can easily specify the quantity of sinks you desire, selecting from a wide range of styles. Whether you prefer a single sink or multiple sinks for your vanity top, we have you covered. You can also specify the exact locations of your sinks by providing the outermost countertop edges in sink edges, giving you full control over the design and functionality of your vanity top. Experience the ultimate customization with Grifform Innovations, where your imagination is the only limit.